Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring the best spot welding machines for precision and durability in metalwork and fabrication. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, these machines offer reliable performance for welding tasks large and small. We'll review the top models, their standout features, and why they're a great addition to your workshop. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to enhance your welding projects, let's get started. Number 5. Heltec Spot Welding Machine. When it comes to spot welding, precision and reliability are key, and the Heltec Spot Welding Machine delivers on both fronts. This robust tool, weighing in at 3.5 kilograms, combines advanced features with a user-friendly design, making it a standout option for both professionals and hobbyists. Heat protection and user safety. One of the most notable features of the Heltec Spot Welding Machine is its exceptional heat protection. Unlike traditional welding machines that overheat during prolonged use, this device remains cool, ensuring uninterrupted operation. The welding pen is specifically designed to prevent burns, even during extended use, prioritizing user safety and comfort. Powerful yet stable performance. The machine boasts an impressive pulse current of up to 3500 A, ensuring a strong and stable welding current. What sets it apart is its ability to maintain this power without damaging delicate battery cells. The real-time pulse current display allows for precise monitoring, adding a layer of control and reliability to your projects. Superior welding quality. The Heltec Spot Welding Machine produces fine, uniform, and durable weld spots that rival industrial-grade equipment. These welds are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also incredibly strong, ensuring the longevity of your work. Additionally, the absence of blackening around the weld area demonstrates its high quality and refined performance. Number 4. Sunko 737G Professional Quick 18650 Battery Spot Welder. For those in need of a reliable and precise welding solution, the Sunko 737G Professional Quick 18650 Battery Spot Welder stands out as a versatile and user-friendly option. Designed for efficiency and accuracy, this compact welding machine combines innovative features with practical functionality, making it a go-to tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Precision meets performance. The Sunko 737G ensures accurate results. Number 3. Seesii Mini Spot Welder. If you're looking for a portable yet powerful spot welding solution, the Seesii Mini Spot Welder checks all the boxes. With enhanced adjustability, advanced features, and a user-friendly design, this machine is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals working on battery plates or thin metal sheets. Enhanced adjustability for precision welding. The Seesii Mini Spot Welder stands out with its 20 gears of adjustable output power, allowing for precise control over your welding projects. The device also features adjustable delay times from 0.5 to 2.5 seconds, making it versatile enough to handle various materials and thicknesses. With its memory function and automatic power off after 5 minutes of inactivity. Number 2. CNCEST Spot Welding Machine. The CNCEST Spot Welding Machine is a powerhouse designed to meet the needs of both beginners and professionals, offering a range of functions and advanced features in one compact unit. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a skilled welder, this machine is equipped to handle a variety of materials and welding tasks with ease. 5-in-1 versatility for every project. One of the standout features of the CNCEST Spot Welding Machine is its 5-in-1 functionality. It's not just a spot welder, it excels at welding gold, cobalt chromium alloys, mixed metals, pure titanium, and even orthodontic materials. Number 1. Digisix Spot Welding Machine. If you're looking for a welding tool that combines power, precision, and versatility, the Digisix Spot Welding Machine is an excellent choice. Designed with a focus on efficiency and adaptability, this lithium battery spot welder provides a professional finish for a range of welding tasks, from battery packs to various metals. Versatile material compatibility. The Digisix Spot Welding Machine is engineered to work with multiple metals, including aluminum, copper, iron, and nickel. Whether you're welding battery packs or other metal materials, this machine handles it all with ease. With a spot welding range of 0.5 millimeters to 0.8 millimeters thickness, you can rely on it to tackle a variety of projects, making it a truly versatile tool in your workshop. Optimized for lithium battery welding. Specifically optimized for lithium iron phosphate batteries, this welder excels in providing precise and reliable spot welds. The copper electrode ensures strong, secure connections, making it perfect for battery assembly or repair work. Whether you're creating battery packs or working on smaller projects, the Digisix offers accuracy and durability.
Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.